Okay, so it's very humbling to be appointed as VC of UCT. We are the leading university on the continent, and it's a humbling experience to know that the university community believes that I'm the kind of leader that the university deserves now, or the university needs now. I've had tears in my eyes. It's overwhelming. And it means a lot. It means a lot to me. It's a huge moment, not just for me and for the university, but for everything that I represent, and for all the people who came before me. There's been vice-chancellors here who have built this university to being what it is right now. We're known as a top university of the continent because of the work that has been done before. And each vice-chancellor has had a challenge to work on. And they've delivered on what they had to work on. And that's why we are what we are today. There's challenges ahead. There's lots of things that we need to achieve ahead. And we, as a university, have agreed on a strategic plan, a strategic direction, and a vision to be inclusive, engaged, and African. And that's the challenge for me moving forward, is bringing that vision to life, making it work. What does it mean to be inclusive, to be engaged, to be African? And I would add, to be unapologetically African. Being the top university on the continent is good. Our challenge moving forward is that we're going to have to be the best for Africa as well, and not just the best in Africa. And that's what's going to bring our vision of being inclusive, engaged, and African to life. When students come to this university from anywhere in the country, whether it's Mitchell's Plain, Winterveld, Gugulethu, or whatever in the Northern Cape, they have to feel that this is a place that's welcoming for them, a place where they can become who they want to be. And to do that, we have to transform the space, to make it inclusive. It shouldn't be like a student coming from Langa. When they come here, it feels like they've gone overseas. It should feel like they've come to a place that's challenging academically, that's pushing them to think, but it's also welcoming. It embraces who they are, and therefore they can handle the challenge, the academic challenges that come with the place. Because a university has to challenge you. There's no education that happens without you being stretched, without being challenged. And so we want this place to bring in the challenge and the educational experience that we want, but at the same time be inclusive, because being challenged and being exposed to an educational experience that's worthwhile doesn't mean one has to feel alienated. It has to be inclusive to everyone, a safe space of learning, of becoming that which we might not even know now, but that which you want to be. And so I look forward to working with the university community as we carry on with our Vision 2020 to ensure that University of Cape Town remains at the top and it is transformed. It's a place where excellence and transformation coexist.